Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, this is the third video I have filmed today, and of course I'm going to end it with a bang. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, if you didn't read the title, or you did read the title, and you want to know what I'm talking about, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. All right. As you guys read by the title, I picked up the new Dove Amplified Textures line. I picked up 5 of the 6 pieces that I saw at Target. If there's more pieces, I'm going to link all the pieces, including the piece that I did not pick up. I'm going to link everything below from Target. Let's just talk about each individual piece. I'm going to tell you all about each individual piece that I picked up. I can't talk. And then I'm going to give you guys the nitty gritty details, fun facts, all of that. Starting off with the Hydrating Cleanse Shampoo. This is 11.5 fluid ounce bottle right here. You can see how much I've used. I use about that. This is where I stopped. Use about that much. Yeah, we'll get into that in a second. Next thing is the Super Slip Detangling Shampoo. This is a 11.5 fluid ounce bottle also right here. What's the claims? I didn't read the claims. But you know what? I'm not even going to worry about the claims just yet. We'll get into that later. The next thing is the 10.5 fluid ounce jar of the Moisture Spa Recovering Mask. All of the products say for coils and curls. Here it is right here. There's the top right there. Bam. And let's see, after that, I used the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner. This is 11.5 fluid ounce also. Moisture Amplifying Blend with jojoba oil. There it is right there. And for my styler, I used the Twist in Moisture Shaping Buttercream. This is the, want to say, 10.5 fluid ounce jar right here. Focus, focus, focus. Focus, focus, focus. That's okay. Anyway, y'all get the gist. All right. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's just talk about it, okay? Let's just talk about it. All right. Perusing Target like I do every week. Just about every week. Now I don't go as much anymore. But past like 3 or 4 weeks, I've been seeing this. I saw this product on the shelves, so I was like, I picked it up a couple of times, put it in my cart, took it out my cart because there was always pieces missing from it. But then I've decided finally, I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this product. I'm going to try it. I actually tried this product for 3 weeks, not the standard 2 weeks I've been doing. I did 3 weeks. Why did I do 3 weeks, you ask? I did it because I wanted you guys to see the products in my hair. All the pictures are going to be on the side. Let's talk about the shampoo first. When I first got the shampoo, when I first tried to use it, the pump did not want to sprout up to work. And then when it finally worked, it's like the shampoo's consistency is like a gel consistency. It's really weird to me. It was cool. I'm not going to sit back and be like, oh my God, it was the best shampoo ever. The Carol's Daughter shampoo was better to me. I'm going to just flat out say that the Carol's Daughter shampoo was better than this. I think the second time I used it, I liked it better, but still the Carol's Daughter kind of edged it out. So I would, the shampoo is not too bad. It's not like my favorite. I will say that. I have used better shampoos before. The Super Slip Detangling Conditioner. Let's see. I have the same amount of conditioner. I think I have, about the same amount of conditioner as I do shampoo. And normally you have less conditioner for using it 3 weeks. I just didn't vibe to it. I didn't vibe to it at all. Normally with a rinse out conditioner, I could kind of like, oh, okay, this isn't cool. This isn't too bad. It wasn't that great. And I was not enthused by it by any means. I will flat out say that. The Moisture Spa Recovery Mask. Seriously? Seriously. This was not good at all. My hair was not soft after I used it. And I actually did overnight deep conditioning. And normally I don't do overnight deep conditioning. Both times I use it, I did overnight deep conditioning. And if I used it overnight and my hair still wasn't soft, that tells me if I did it for 30 minutes, it wouldn't have worked either. I was not happy with it. I could have used something else, and I'm kind of mad I didn't. It was not very good at all. I was not overly enthused at all. The Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner, and same amount I have in here too. It's funny that all of these bottles have the same amount, and you would think it would be different. I didn't use as much because of the buttercream, and 2 cream products together, you gotta watch them. I have to watch them. Let me say it that way. I was okay on the leave-in conditioner. I like the melanin leave-in conditioner better. I'll just flat out say it. I was not enthused by the leave-in conditioner. It really wasn't. But let's talk about that Twist and Moisture Shaping Buttercream. Let's have a conversation about this. Let's have a conversation about this. Okay? On a twist out, it was okay. On a wash and go, I got a day out of it. Literally a day. Because by the time I hit day 2, if I didn't wash my hair, it just was not going to work. All my pictures are going to be on the side. For a twist out, it was all right. I wasn't like, oh my God, my hair looks so great and juicy twist and all of that. No. Twist wasn't juicy. My hair was, I will say it was moisturized for a day. Y'all know I don't like to give a bad review, but damn. When a whole lot, normally I can get at least one piece out of a line to say, oh, well, I would use this and blah, 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 blah. But, all right, let's ask the question because my battery light is blinking. This is the 3rd video I've done for the day. Would I buy these products again? No, I would not. The only other product that was in the line that I didn't pick up was the finishing gel. And I'm like, what's a finishing gel? I didn't understand it. And I'm wondering, did I need the finishing gel when I did the wash and go? But to be honest with you, I don't even want to go buy it to find out because it wasn't worth it. Something else I did not speak on was the smell. The smell is overpowering. It is a flowery smell. As you all know, I have done a review on Dove products before. Link will be above and below. And I believe I had good results on that. It's been some years since I did it. But this, I don't know what they was thinking. And it's funny that they're saying that this is for coily, curly, and wavy hair. Maybe this is better for curly and wavy. But my hair, no. Nope. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. This did not work. I was thoroughly not impressed. If I could go get my money back, I would. But I've used the product enough. And also Target, as I shoot this video, Target is not accepting refunds at the moment due to what's going on out here in the world. So, to be honest, I don't even know if I want to let Reginald try it to see if it works on him. I may let him try it. It may work. This may work great on him. But on me, nah. This is not good. And it's great that I get to end my night on this review. And that is it for this video. I am done rambling. Unfortunately, I did have to have one bad review, and I think this is the last cream review of the season. I believe I'm about to walk right into gels. So, the next products you guys are going to see are gels. Thank goodness we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. So, if you guys have any questions about the Dove products, I'm going to have links to each piece and including the finishing gel that I did not pick up. All the links are going to be below from Target. All my social media is all down below also, and you saw it at the beginning. That's it. I'm gonna go. I got stuff to do, like I always do. You know, y'all know I ain't got. I got too much. I got too much to do. That's it. I got too much to do. I'm gonna go. Talk to y'all later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.